Hey everyone, today we're going to show you the new Agency Power Mini Cooper F-Series cold air intake as we dyno it here at Vivid Racing. So let's check it out. The Agency Power cold air intake for the F-Series Mini Cooper and Cooper S is the perfect upgrade for your turbocharged engine. Working with both the 2.0 liter and the 1.5 liter turbocharged engines, the intake will enhance the performance and driving of your Mini Cooper. Using roto-molded plastic technology, high flow cone air filter, and a very well designed heat shield, the Agency Power cold air intake is one modification you will definitely want on your Mini Cooper Cooper S. Now available at vividracing.com, you can check out this intake, the dyno graph, the videos, and more Mini Cooper parts. So shop online today.